Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. There are different types of salary structures, fixed salaries and commission-based salaries. If your staff have fixed salaries, go to the settings menu and the service expense. Create a new group titled Fixed Staff Salaries and save, and add subcategories. For example, Sam's salary, Jack's salary, and so on for the rest of your staff. When it's time to pay Jack's salary, who is on a fixed salary, go to the accounting menu, select expenses, click on new, choose the appropriate category and subcategory, fixed staff salaries, and for example, Jack's salary. And for better organization, write something like Jack's salary for August in the description. And then add financial transaction, add the amount, for example, $3,000. And save. And then save the financial document and record the payment in Finty. As you see, the payment is recorded. And for staff working on a commission basis, where they earn a percentage of sales or services, Finty automatically calculates their commissions, saving you from manual calculations. Simply set the commission rates for each commission-based staff member in Finty by going to the Users menu, Access Service, click on the employee's name, for example Sam. Here you can set their sales and repair or service commission percentages. As you see, I've already done that. And then save, and go to Profile, and check this box, Automatically Calculate Commission Percentage for Sales and Repair Staff. This will activate the staff report service in the accounting menu. I've already activated this option, and I recommend you do the same when starting with Finty if your staff work on commission. This way, whenever a technician or a salesperson provides a service or makes a sale, their commission, meaning your debt to them, will be visible in Finty. Let me show this process now. Let's view a staff's account balance. Let's go to the staff reports. In the accounting menu, staff report, filter option, and let's select one of the technicians. For example, Sam, and search. As you can see, he provided 3 services, and this amount represents his commission, which your company needs to pay. The balance section is crucial. As you can see, the negative sign indicates that your company owes him money, so you need to make the payment. To show this process practically, let's issue a repair invoice in Repair Shop menu. Ticket. Let's suppose Sam has repaired the device and provided a service. Now we need to issue an invoice for the customer. Now let's add services to it. For example, a regular service. Select Sam and add. It's added here, then save. Now that the invoice is issued, let's go back to the staff report service. Again, filter, Sam, search. As you can see, Sam's profit amount has increased. Next, let's go to Financial Affairs to record the payment for Sam's commission. New. We are going to make a payment to Sam. And in the description, for example, Sam's commission for August. As you see, by selecting a person, you can see your debt or credit here. And save again to record this document. As you see, Sam's commission payment is recorded in Finty. Finally, let's check staff report again. As you see, the balance is 0 now. This indicates that the payment has been settled and the company no longer owes him anything. Additionally, you can download an Excel file of this data. The staff report service is incredibly useful as it eliminates the need for complex calculations. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.